Once you've deposited fiat funds into your wallet, you can trade them for cryptocurrencies. Start by logging into your KuCoin account. On the home page, click on Assets, then on Overview. Select the trading wallet where you've deposited your fiat funds. Choose the trade option next to the currency you wish to exchange. Then, select the desired cryptocurrency. In this example, we want to obtain USDT. You will be redirected to the trading interface, which may ask you to enter your trading password set in your security settings. In this example, we'll perform an exchange at the market price, but you can also choose to trade at a limit price if you prefer. Indicate the amount you wish to invest or use the percentages to help you choose. Then click Buy USDT. If your order does not appear in the Open Orders section, it probably means it has already been executed. Check the order history to see your recent transactions. Congratulations! You've successfully exchanged your euros for cryptocurrencies. They are now in your trading wallet, directly accessible from the trading interface.